What's going on, everybody? So the other day, a week or two ago, my lower control arms, so this bushing right here, was shot. And I had a warranty, so I took it into the shop, had them do some work on it. I get some news back from the people that there was a part that was cracked, right? And I was like, oh, okay. And he assured me that it was safe, drove great, and I was gonna have to bring it back in a week, and it wasn't like a huge deal, right? So I was like, okay, well then they wanted to charge me like $700 for this part that they broke. So I was like, okay, well, my part just came in a week later. There was some delay on it, and the first thing I do, take my wheel off, as you see here, and then, you know, I get underneath here and I look and I go, well, that's weird. Well, where's that? Right, so where's this nut? Because I didn't take it off. And this would also help to explain the noise that's been clinking underneath here, the very few miles that I've had to drive it. Mind you also, when they were working on this, they had to take it to another shop to have a wheel alignment done. Mind you, this is how they drove it. My car down the road. And as you can also see right here, this is the part that's cracked. Hey, let's zoom in on it. And you can see that it's not just kind of cracked, it's fucking broken. Okay, it is completely broken. Once again, this is from a reputable shop in town that tells me this car is safe to drive down the road. You can even see here that my brand new ball joint isn't even sitting in the fucking socket straight. So, not trying to throw shade or anything like that, you know, just people, when you get work done by other people, check their work, because sometimes they make mistakes and still charge you for it.